Hi, I'm Michael Cruz, and I will be presenting to you today my CSY2030 project to Daycare Nursery Center. So, in terms of logging in for an admin, you can see in the code that we put a username of daycare and a password of center. So, that means that if the admin does enter the correct credentials, then they will be taken to the welcome GUI here, which is the set visible true, and a dispose which closes the previous window, or else wrong credentials in password username, please try again. So this means that this message will come up if the credentials in the username and password is wrong. So just to test to see if that message is working, let's put a password of daycare and then center 2 instead of center. So as you can see, wrong credentials in password username, please try again. So the error message is working successfully. So if we log in with the correct credentials, then we should be granted access successfully, as you can see here. So we've got the registration, staff information and exit button. So for now, we'll go to the child registration form, which is here. So let's enter some details and see if they store correctly in the text field and in the text file. So 42 London Road, birthday 19th of August 2012, allergies non-applicable, full name Julius Smith, number 0207, let's make that up, and then the day of session required. These radio buttons will print on the day chosen button what day is selected. So for example, Wednesday is printed here. Then let's say afternoon, session cost 16. The £25 registration fee will always be kept the same, hence why this box is nullified and you can't edit it. So if we press add, and it will add the sum of the session cost and the registration fee together, it will be up to £41, because 16 and 25 is £41. And the monthly fee has been worked out already. For the date of session, you can put in any date, so Wednesday the 9th of April 2016, say that for example. Then in terms of registering it, it'll come up and say child information successfully added. So if we go back to the child information, you go to the text file, and all this information has been stored in the child info text file. So if we go there, we can see that this information has been successfully added. So now we'll go to the staff information page where we can enter staff information. So let's make a random one again. Michael Johnson, address 42 London Road again, qualifications 3 A levels, day worked 1 day, contact number 0207, made up again, hours 9 to 5, so that's going to be 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 hours. Attending work, yes. And then again, whatever session they worked, and we press one of these buttons, it will print out the text value of that in this text box. So if we do preschool, then they worked 1 day at the preschool. So if we register it, we should get a message saying staff information successfully added now. So if you go to the staff information GUI, go to the text file again, and then go to the staff info text file this time, then you can see the information we just inputted has come up successfully. And that is done successfully. So we'll save that. So let's exit. So in terms of reading the file back and allowing it to be printed onto a GUI or at the bottom of the console, I've decided to go for the console. So in terms of reading the child and reading the staff, let's go to the read staff. So if we simply run this class, as you can see here, the staff information that has been inputted has come up successfully on the console. And also, for reading the child, if we run this class also, then the child information has been successfully set as well. Also, if we log in again, for registration we always have relevant buttons that will make the GUI efficient to operate around. So say we entered in random values here, pressing the clear button will set all these text boxes to be cleared, which is the ease of use for the user, which stops them from backspacing. Also, pressing back takes you to the previous GUI, which has just been accessed, and then the exit button closes everything.